rendering. This is quite a short video, just showing you how you do it and why you might want to do it. So I've got a timeline with 3 clips here, and you can see there's a yellow bar which indicates yes, that'll play back. Okay, so we're going to alter the middle clip and try and load it down with some effects. So let's go to our effects bin and try something like turbulent displace. Drop it on that one there like that. Now you can see this has gone red. It's saying, whoa, can't cope with that. Let's give it, we could just leave it like that because it's gone red. So let's do that. We won't muck around with the settings. So what's likely to happen when I play this back is that we may experience the playback not being so great. This is quite a fast machine. If I was to keep stacking up, that would become more kind of severe. So if you're experiencing that, the thing to do is if you put an in point there, just outside of the red area, out point there like that, and go sequence render into out, or you could render effects into out, but we're just going to render into out like that. And depending on the complexity, as I say, this will take anything. Now it's gone actually green, you can see, so it's going to play back very smoothly. That's how you do rendering. The minute I change this, so I might just want to tweak one of the turbulence settings, this area that it's saved to disk as a temporary file will no longer be appropriate because the parameters have changed. So this will then turn to, probably demonstrate that hopefully. If I highlight this clip here and then change something in the turbulence settings, if I can find them, audio opacity, offset turbulence. And you can see again it's gone red, and so I'd need to re-render that if I wanted to ensure smooth playback.